Well, former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Mehbooba Mufti, has compared the situation in Afghanistan to that of Kashmir. While warning centre on Article 370, Mehbooba Mufti says that Indian government must not forget how Americans were driven out of Afghanistan. Listen in to what the former Chief Minister of J&K had to say.
एक ऐसी रियासत है जो दुनिया में कहीं नहीं, और यहाँ के लोग बुज़दिल नहीं हैं, हिम्मत वाले हैं, क्योंकि सब्र करने के लिए ज्यादा हिम्मत की जरूरत होती है। जो गांधी जी कहते थे कि नॉन वायलेंस के लिए ज्यादा हिम्मत होनी चाहिए, पत्थर उठाने के लिए हिम्मत की जरूरत नहीं है। बंदूक उठाने के लिए, चाहे वो आपका बंदूक हो वर्दी में या यहाँ का बंदूक हो नौजवान के हाथ में, उसके लिए हिम्मत नहीं चाहिए। हिम्मत चाहिए सब्र के लिए, हिम्मत चाहिए बर्दाश्त के लिए, जो भी जम्मू कश्मीर के लोग बर्दाश्त कर रहे हैं। मगर जिस वक्त ये बर्दाश्त का बांध टूट जाएगा तो तब आप ही नहीं रहोगे, मिट जाओगे। बार बार मैं कहती हूँ, बार बार मैं कहती हूँ कि हमारा इम्तिहान मत लो, सुधर जाओ, समझ जाओ। पड़ोस में देखो क्या हो रहा है, पड़ोस में देखो क्या हो रहा है। इतनी बड़ी ताकत अमेरिका, उनको भी वहां से बोरिया बस्तर लेके वापस जाना पड़ा। और आपको मौका है अभी भी, जिस तरह वाजपेयी जी ने बातचीत शुरू की थी जम्मू कश्मीर में, यहाँ बाहर के साथ भी और यहाँ भी, उसी तरह आप भी जम्मू कश्मीर में बातचीत का सिलसिला शुरू करो। और जो आपने लूटा है गैर कानूनी तरीके से, गैर आईनी तरीके से, जो जम्मू कश्मीर का तशक्कुस आपने खराब कर दिया, जो जम्मू कश्मीर के टुकड़े टुकड़े कर दिए, इस गलती को सुधारो, नहीं तो बहुत देर हो जाएगी।
और अगर इसी तरह बीजेपी की कार्रवाई चलती रही, इसी तरह जुल्म चलता रहा, सितम चलता रहा पूरे मुल्क में, जिस तरह से उन्होंने अपनी एजेंसीज का नाजायज इस्तेमाल करके लोगों को तंग करना शुरू कर दिया है, स्टूडेंट्स को जेल में डालते हैं, एक्टिविस्ट को जेल में डालते हैं, कोई कानून नहीं है। जितने भी हमारे इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं, बड़े से लेके छोटे, सबको उन्होंने अपनी मुट्ठी में करके रखा है, तालिबानाइज करके रखा है। यानी उनको बंदूक के बलबूते पे चलाते हैं, जोर ज़बरदस्ती चलाते हैं। तो मेरा ये कहना है कि अगर बीजेपी होश के नाखून नहीं लेती, अगर वो ये नहीं समझती कि वो इस मुल्क के साथ क्या कर रहे हैं, इतने खूबसूरत मुल्क के साथ, इसको कितने कैसे वो टुकड़ों टुकड़ों में बांटने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो आगे बहुत देर हो जाएगी। और उससे पूरे मुल्क को, जम्मू कश्मीर को तो नुकसान हुआ ही है, पूरे मुल्क को भी नुकसान।
Let me also bring in my colleague and our Kashmir Bureau Chief, Zeenat, who's joining us from Srinagar. Zeenat, just put this into perspective. You have the former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir essentially saying that Indian government must not forget how Americans were driven out of Afghanistan. What is it that she essentially means, Zeenat? And then I'll also bring in my colleague Gursimran, who's joining us from Jammu.
See, Shravan, we need to understand the statement of Mehbooba Mufti when she was addressing the party convention in Kulgam, where she has been telling the party workers and the people in Kulgam that gun is not the solution and you have to drop the weapon. But at the same time, that sacrifice doesn't mean that if you will make this sacrifice, then who will live the life? And then again, she is trying to instigate youngsters of the Kashmir, saying that, yes, see, there is a power in gun, there's a power in terrorism, and see what happened in America, where the Taliban is now ruling, because Taliban also believes in gun culture and they have been fighting the war since 1990. So the dedication of the cause in Afghanistan by Taliban is in a way giving a motivation by Mehbooba Mufti to the youngsters of Kashmir. On the one hand, she is telling the people, the youngsters, not to take arms, but on the other hand, by giving them an instigation, boosting them by saying that, see, You see what happened in Afghanistan, but at the same time, she's also pointing towards guns towards Delhi, where she is saying that if you want a cordial relationship, you have to return what has been snatched from the people of Jammu and Kashmir. If you want to have a healthy relationship, you have to restore Article 370. So we have been seeing in time in again that the Mehbooba has always been provocating youngsters as far as the terror ranks is concerned, joining terror ranks is concerned, and that is what today she did it again when she was speaking to people in the party convention in Kulgam, where she again cited the example of Taliban in Afghanistan, that the Taliban's made Americans to run from Afghanistan. Now they are ruling the country, and see what happened there. And in a way, there she is instigating that yes, you also pick up the gun, you also do the same thing. So then only you can be able to fulfill the dreams or the cause, whatever as per the Mehbooba is there with the younger generation. So instigating statement coming from Mehbooba Mufti, and also pointing guns towards the central government, asking for the revocation of Article 370. And then we also see today how the Sajjad Lone is talking and pointing guns toward National Conference PDP by saying that they were not even they were not able to talk about Article 370. Who will they protect the people of Jammu and Kashmir? Because in all party meeting they were not able to talk anything about the restoration of Article 370. So in Kashmir we are seeing diverse statements coming from the political leaders, whether it is from Sajjad Lone or People's Conference, or for that matter Mehbooba Mufti instigating youngsters of the Kashmir, asking them to pick up guns. Although we have been seeing the recruitment coming quite down as far as this year has been compared to if we compare today's this year with the last 2020 or
Zeenat,
2019.
sorry to interrupt you.